everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Ride. Today we are talking about the Smart Fortwo 2025 is a compact and innovative vehicle designed for urban living. Its small size makes it perfect for navigating crowded city streets and tight parking spaces. The car features a sleek, modern design with clean lines and advanced aerodynamics that not only enhance its appearance but also improve efficiency. With its two-seat configuration, it focuses on practicality and comfort for city commuters. The 2025 model comes equipped with an all-electric drivetrain, offering a significant step towards sustainability. It delivers a smooth and silent driving experience with zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. The electric motor provides ample power for city driving, ensuring quick acceleration and responsive handling. A single charge offers an improved range, making it suitable for daily commutes and short trips without frequent recharging. The battery supports fast charging technology, allowing users to recharge quickly at compatible stations. Inside the car, the Smart Fortwo 2025 features a minimalist yet stylish cabin. The interior is designed to maximize space, providing a surprising amount of room for passengers and storage. The materials used are high quality and sustainable, reflecting the brand's commitment to eco-conscious design. A user-friendly infotainment system is integrated into the dashboard, offering seamless connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also includes navigation, hands-free calling, and access to various apps for enhanced convenience. Safety is a priority in the Smart Fortwo 2025, with advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The compact size doesn't compromise on protection, as the vehicle is equipped with a reinforced steel structure and multiple airbags to ensure passenger safety. Additional features include LED lighting for better visibility, climate control for year-round comfort, and keyless entry for added convenience. The customizable exterior options allow buyers to personalize their vehicle with a range of colors and finishes. The Smart Fortwo 2025 represents the future of urban mobility with its innovative design, eco-friendly performance, and smart technology. It's an ideal choice for those looking for a practical, stylish, and sustainable solution for city driving. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest cars, features, and technology. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and thank you for watching.